guys, we're going to go through some quick strength moves. These are really simple moves. Some can be made body weight, some can use light dumbbells. So we're going to go through these, and this is sort of what I like to do sometimes. I do them in little 30-second circuits, and so what you'll do is you'll pick a set number of rounds for these, and you're going to work for 30 seconds and rest for 30 seconds. So a standard way to do this is 4 rounds of this, which will be 30 seconds of work, rest for 30 seconds, move on to another move for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds, and so on and so forth. So for this exercise, we're going to go through 4 movements, 4 rounds, and you're just going to progress through. So you'll go through the first movement for 30 seconds, rest for 30, move on to the next move for 30 seconds, rest for 30, move on to the next move, rest for 30, move on to the next move, rest for 30, and then you'll go back and repeat the whole thing. So the first thing we're going to start with is called a goblet squat, and you can use a dumbbell or you don't have to, but for me, I like to use a dumbbell. You can use a kettlebell if you have a kettlebell, but basically you're going to hold this dumbbell right underneath your chin like you had a big chalice or a goblet, and so you're just going to do an air squat. So goblet air squats, so you're just going to go down and up. The goal of keeping this dumbbell right here is to keep your chest up and your core tight. So I'll show you from the side. You're going to sit your hips back, push your knees out, and drive straight up. So that's your first move. If you don't have a dumbbell or that seems challenging for you, you can just do a basic air squat, and you can just hold your hands right here, and you're going to do that for 30 seconds. So that's your first move. We're going to work for 30 seconds doing goblet squats. And then you're going to rest for 30 seconds and move on to this move, which is shoulder taps. So you're going to get into the top of the plank, a high plank here, and for 30 seconds, you're just going to do shoulder taps. Try to keep your core super tight to reduce any major movement. You don't want to swing too far. So core tight and just tap for 30 seconds. So once you do the shoulder tap for 30 seconds, then you're going to rest for 30 seconds. And then you're going to do a hollow hold, which is very simple. You're just going to lay on your back. You're going to keep your low back glued to the ground. And you're just going to hold right here, 30 seconds. If that's too hard, raise your legs up higher so that you can hold. What you don't want is for your back to arch and that low back to come off the ground. So get in whatever position can keep your low back glued. So if that's legs straight in the air, that's fine. Hold it for 30 seconds. And then you're going to rest for 30 seconds. And then we're going to what's called a curtsy lunge. And it's just that. You're just going to curtsy. So you're going to alternate sides. So it's basically, we'll start with your right leg in front, left leg behind. So you're going to go down. And notice, let me show you my knee here. This knee does not go over that toe. It's right in line with that toe. So you're going to go down. So I'll show you from here. Down, up, switch sides, down, up. So for 30 seconds, you're going to do curtsy lunges. Now, if you want to make that more challenging, you can grab dumbbells, hold them by your sides, go down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to do that for 30 seconds and then rest for 30 seconds. That move right there will make you a little sore. So for your first time, I wouldn't recommend using dumbbells. It gets your gluteus medius, which is the side part of your booty, which is super important for making you injury-free. It kind of helps strengthen your IT band as well. If you have knee problems, hip problems, sometimes it's all in getting your glutes stronger. So again, let me tell you how this works. You're going to go through all of those moves for 4 rounds. So you're going to do the goblet squats for 30 seconds, rest for 30, shoulder taps, rest for 30, hollow hold for 30 seconds, rest for 30, and then you're going to end with the curtsy lunges, alternating sides for 30, rest for 30, go back through it. Okay? Thanks so much, guys. I hope that you enjoy that. It's a simple, quick, easy strength workout that you can do right in your home. Thanks so much. Bye.